All right, so here's how I pack up my food for each day. I start with a gallon-sized bag. Goes to the side, and then I just get a Sharpie and write the day on it. I'm going to be using it. So in this case, it is day 3. I usually go in reverse order from the last day to the first. And then I pack up the last bit of stuff and ship it ahead. So I only carry about half of my food supplies at a time. Then I usually start with the larger stuff. So for this day, I'm gonna be doing more rice sides, $1 at Walmart, and lots of calories, and it tastes good. Just add water. Put that in there. This is gonna go with summer sausage. I'm not gonna open this until I'm ready to use it. So that's gonna actually start on day 3, and I'll cut it into thirds, and I'll use it on day 3, 4, and 5. So that's what that's for. And then I'll go in a separate Ziploc bag so that I can reseal it once I'm done with the first day, so it stays good. As an alternative for the rice sides, you can do other things like here's a cheddar broccoli, and that would go really well with some flat packed pre-cooked chicken. So you can use that. That's going to be actually probably day 2 or day 1 for dinner. All right, so dinner's covered. That's actually that right there. So let's go down to lunch. I take and individually wrap a tortilla, which is like 130 calories or something. And I put that with tuna creations, a little bit of flavor, flat pack, no mess, very little trash to carry back with you, nice and lightweight. This is 2.6 ounces, so not too heavy. So that's my lunch. So I'll go in there. Next I add breakfast, which I go ahead and take 2 packages of oatmeal, your flavor choice. I always go maple brown sugar because it goes with just about anything. I throw in some craisins, 1/8 cup of craisins, and a 1/8 cup of walnuts. Or is it a 1/4 cup? It's probably a 1/4 cup. 1/8 cup is small, so a 1/4 cup of each, craisins and walnuts. And that makes for a very good breakfast. 480 calories, just takes less than 6 ounces of water. And these are freezer Ziploc bags, quart-sized bags. And you can pour the water right in here, close it up, and kind of mash it all up like this, and let it sit for a few minutes, and then take your camp spoon and just eat it right out of the bag. There's nothing to clean up. You just zip it back up and put it in your trash bag to pack out. Really, really simple, good breakfast. So I put that in there. I have my coffee. I gotta have coffee every morning, so I go with the Starbucks Via instant coffee. I prefer a blonde roast in the morning. Actually, prefer blonde roast pretty much all the time. I wasn't able to find any this time. I have used it before. It's very good. The Columbia roast is also very good. Pike Place, if you like the classic Starbucks coffee, but Via is one of the best, if not the best. Of course, that's very subjective, but it's one of the best instant coffees out there. Very good. So 2 of those for a nice big cup of coffee. At night, I'll usually have something warm after I've been sitting for a while and cooled down. Before bed, I'll make a cup of hot chocolate. So 2 packs of that, just in case I want a big cup. If not, I'll just have 1. And then during the day, I'll keep these in my hip belt pouch, a couple of Cliff Bars. Some people get tired of them. I don't mind them at all. I eat the same thing every day, and it's not a big deal for me. So a couple of Cliff Bars. That goes in the bag. And that is 1 day worth of food in a single bag. And then this will end up going into my food dry bag. Get all the air out of it. Go this way so I can see the day. So it'll be like that. A couple of extra bags of food. well, I'll go into my food dry bag. So at the start of every day, I can just grab one bag of food, pull out the breakfast, pull out the snacks, and then have the rest of it sitting on top of my bag if I want it, and have everything just kind of ready to go, and the rest will just stay in the dry bag as needed. So that's basically it for packing up for food, backpacking. I think the total pounds, yeah, well, let's just wait real quick. So remember this, I don't have my summer sausage in here. I can include some chicken just for the sake of adding the weight. Let's see, we're at ounces here. So let's throw this here, put that on top, make sure there's no extra weight. Let's go to pounds. 1 pound, 14 ounces, almost 2 pounds. That's pretty good. You know, you want to try to be less than 2 pounds per day. And that's a good bit of calories, and it's good food too. So there you go.